Okay, so I got some good treasures in this world, but the footage was lost. It's cursed by a boulder, guys. Hello, I am the Shadow Misfit. I'm always in the background and always ahead of my game, sometimes. So, back in Terraria Treasure Quest, I'm not going to be switching worlds this time, because mainly it takes too long, and even there might be good treasures I might not have explored yet, and yeah, it's fun. Okay, press by a boulder. Crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Let's heal. I think I want to use my glow sticks now. My glowy glow sticks. Here we are. Do 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 do. Giant worm in front of me. Where did they come from? I don't know. I don't know. Look on the wiki. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I was prepared. Oh, it's gold. Oh my god. It's gold. It's gold. It's gold. Oh god. It's gold. It's gold. It's gold. I'm rich and rich, rich. No, it's not enough, but good, good, yeah. You know? Good treasures. Pretty good world if I do say so myself. Oh, I bet this plan for something else. Breaking me down like a missing. Will I get out? No. It's okay though. I'm not gonna be mad. Look, there's another cave ahead. Hopefully I don't die. I got your skeleton for a second. Falling star stuck through wall. Isn't it amazing what glitches can do? Ah, video games. Oh, will you give me a raincoat? Yeah. Crap. This is the price of one. I didn't even get a raincoat. I gotta deal with you now. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. It's snowing and raining at the same time. What kind of evil mastermind would do this? Oh crap. I think I should run for my life now. So, in the nighttime, I usually explore. Alright. Alright, world, you're starting to treat me bad, but we can get along. I just need your regrets for a second. Please trust me. I won't hurt you. I'm your friend. You gave me some good stuff. I'm surprised. I'm gonna get even more good stuff. Into this cave already. Oh, yep. Glad I got some rope. Then this came in handy. Oh. Give me a knife. Come on. Don't die. All things must die. Hey! Oh, there's another entry. Or, yep, it's not. Oh, better start mining. Ooh, I have my laptop literally sitting on my lap, and I have an itch. Where you guys going? The death hole? Oh, okay, so you're in the underworld. Hopefully that's a better place for you. It's almost daytime. Hooray! Gerard's not... Whoa! You didn't take me up on surprise, but I didn't expect the zombie to come through here. And I'm not going to expect another zombie's going to come in. Right? Oh no. Nothing too weird there. Oh. Oh no. Flying fish. Why are you? Oh, you created. Well, at least I don't hate you. You look like someone that shouldn't attack, but do it anyway. Because, I don't know, you're flying fish. Fish that have mutated and grew wings. Woo! Umbrella. Well, you know you can... Okay, another shine potion. Perfect. I like that. I like more iron bars. See when I get a golden chest. I want a golden chest that doesn't have. They don't have bars or. Just want a golden chest that has a weapon. Because weapons is what I like. Weapons. Oh no. Just a little bit longer. Come on, we go there. So nothing yet. Let's keep on digging down. Okay. Hold on a second. Gotta get my charger. I guess it's right there. Come on. Come on. I literally cannot reach it. Oh. Oh, it's right there. Literally gonna cut this for that. Alright, there we go. I'm literally gonna cut that part off. Get out of this cave. None to offer, but still a great world. There we go. Down the hatch. Well, about time I hit the dusty tree. Stop raining yet? Nope. Still raining. Rain is nice. Okay. Where am I? Man, there's a crimson right there. I'm not going. Can't make me. I mean, they sent me to these terrains that I don't have any good weapons yet. You know what? I want to craft some weapons. I'm gonna craft some weapons so I can buy some weapons. Boop. 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 I don't know what I just said, but sounds like Octodad. Octodad forever! Forever! And ever, 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 and ever. I'm not saying never, I'm saying ever. Say that 9 times fast. Dude. Oh, man. Still? There we go. My shoes have dazed. So, let's go over to the snow biome. And I think I have enough ore and wood to make me some weapons. I also got a furnace. I'm not gonna make me a helmet now. No, I'm not making a door. Thought that was ice torches. Okay. Do I have an anvil? Oh, no, I don't. Place them on top. Oh, yeah, you can't place anvils on top tables. Why? Now that's time to make some. It's time to make some weapons. 25, but I have 20. Wait. It was a twist! I don't know what to make. Yep. But 17! I never need to make armor. It's like a price counter. Ooh. We're making stuff today. Make a cooking pot. I don't know what it does, but we'll see. Now for my new weapon! Sound like candy. Test it out, shall we? think it does lots of damage. It's a superior 16. Oh, 11. Oh, it's gonna sort of give me somewhere, but let's go. Thanks. Pots and pans. Pots and pans. Chico was banging pots and pans when I came in. And that's not a joke for the internet to enjoy. Ice slime. Hello, ice slime. I like you being stuck there. There's gonna rarely be that chance where there's no chest in a snow biome. Please help me. It's so hard to find like a mine shaft. Glow stick in here. Alright. It didn't break. Let's try to go the other way. Because I know goodies are gonna be there. Lots of goodies. Aw, man, it's a crimson. Hopefully blood crawlers do not appear. Okay, hang on that. Whatever God of Terraria is, please save me. Ooh, something up there. Something is up there, and I'm going to find it. And that was sand. Oh, almost got stuff again. That's gravel. Or slush. I don't know what that is. Come on. There. The ice block. Wrong one. Getting to a bad start. I know what I'm doing. Why can't I move? Oh. Trying to get up there. You know what? I'm gonna do what a normal person would do. Build around it. Come on. Get in. I find I'm making progress. You know, chest further. But we did it off to a good start. Good start. Let me get deeper. That's another life crystal. Protected by this. Not that hero, it's just fun. Oh no. No, no. You guys pets? Think you're better than me? But you're weak. More stuff hung down here just so I can get. There we go. Alright, don't like it. Let's go. Wee, wee, wee. Oh no. Spike that slime. Go. No. There are lots of heart containers or like life crystals and ice biomes. Basically, they're in caves. Oh, I can. Gold. Shot some bombs. Make it more easier. Oops. Alright, there's the gold. Oh, it's copper. Mistaking you for something else, Mr. Copper. Let's see what else we can explore. Anna? I'm gonna drown. For some air. I'm gonna die. Come on. Oh, my faster! Need this. Make it. Keep on money. Come on, come on, come on! I can make it. I can make it. Not gonna make it. Not gonna make it. Not gonna make it. Jeez, man. Yeah. Before we go, let's see what this cooking pot is for. I'm gonna top the roof. What's it do, actually? It means like food items or just for decoration? I don't know. Well, that concludes our episode of Terraria Treasure Quest. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll keep on making these videos. See you guys later, because I have to defend. Goodbye.